I want to discuss this question here. This is from May, June. It's a grade 12 paper, but grade 11s can do it as well. So, I wanted to discuss a skill that you should have if you've been practicing. You should be able to open up a random paper, past paper of your grade, and at least discuss the very first step of any question. For instance, 1.1.1, the first thing I would do here is take out a common factor of x, because we can see x is a common factor. Then the next step would be x equals 0, or the other bracket equals 0. 1.1.2, that's quadratic formula, right? Just stick a, b, and c in the quadratic formula, and those brackets indicate that to me. Here, 1.1.3, I can see difference of two squares already. So first bracket will be x minus 1 minus 3. Second bracket will be x minus 1 plus 3. Right, and then it's normal inequalities from there. Just simplify the brackets and take it from there. Number 4, I can see a common factor of 5x, 5 to the power of x, I mean. So I'll take 5 to the power of x out as a common factor, and in a bracket I'll be left with 5 to the power x minus 1, all equals to 0. Now I'm very interested in the first answer, the first part of the answer, 5x equals 0, because that doesn't exist, so that'll probably be no solution. So I'll quickly check that out. Number 4. Let's see, number 4. Very accurate. Okay, so here's still a little bit blurry. Wake up, wake up, wake up, wake up. Today is your day. Okay, 5 to the power x cannot be equal to 0, so they just cancel that out. I would have written an A or no solution underneath, and we can see the second part of the answer. Right, then we're at number wait for it. We're now at number 5. So number 5, the first thing I would do is take that denominator root to the other side and multiply it to 1. So I'll be left with x equals root 20 minus x. Then it's normal surd equations from there. I'll square both sides and then solve for x. Do not forget to check your answer at the end, because you can either have both of them working out, or none of them working out, or one of them working out. Do not forget to check your answer. And also here I can see a restriction. X cannot be 20, because if x is 20, the denominator is 0, and that can't happen. So they maybe consider that restriction in the memo. Let's find out. So as you're doing questions, you ask yourself more questions about a question, but make sure you find out. If you can't ask who, well, if you can't find out, ask who, but find out first, and then try to ask who. Okay, they didn't say anything about the restriction, which is fine, no problem. And yeah, do not forget to check your answer selection. You get a mark for that. The next one is simultaneous equations. We do this on a daily. Just don't forget, when you come across this part of it, just let it wake up. Yeah, you deal with the square first, and then you put the negative inside. Right, so here you can see they skipped a step. You deal with the square first, keep your answer in a bracket, and then you distribute the negative inside, which will change all of the signs. Right, cool.